vlog. I'm teacher vlogger, teacher B here in the Bimbas Building. I have just had my, what's this? My heater repair by Junex, the electrician of Toril Davao. And yeah, so according to Junex, we do not need to wait for the click.
Yes.
How will I know that it's already hot temperature?
This ma'am,
In it? Okay, so that's it. So that's it. It's not...
okay lang kung nanay gamay ra yung tubig pero max gani ka ma'am. Ayaw lang pabutan mo palong sige.
That's it. Because
pero ginagmay na siya, okay lang automatic siya palong.
Automatic.
Kasi gamay lang automatic.
So that's it. So we do not need to wait for the click. So can we pull out now?
This
Pull out.
Yes.
Yeah, so we can have this was last time it was on fire. It's good I was not on panic. And the house almost on fire, but I was able to pull out. And according to Junex, the defect is not the heater, but it's the wire and the outlet. So lesson learned, for every 5 years you are going to change your outlet, right?
Check ma'am.
Check the
outlet and main ma'am.
The outlet and the main.
Yes.
Okay. Don't forget, help me there. Teach me how to on and off the main outlet. So for your needs, repair of appliances, what else? Connection of the how do you call this one? Electric connection. You go to PM. Sige, panawagan tayo. Viewers. Okay, you can PM to next
PM the
Facebook account.
My Facebook account is Junex
M.
Galera
of Toril Davao.
Yes,
So,
Toril Davao City.
How wide is the location you will be having home service? Up to where? Davao area lang, Davao del Sur. If Cotabato province no more. Up to what? Davao, Tagum, pwede?
City, no.
Davao City lang. Okay. So you can PM Junex Galera. No cell phone number?
Yes, I have a Facebook.
Yeah. So ikaw lang yung wife mo, hindi na lang i-PM.
Yes.
As much as you are not online sometimes.
Yes.
So very affordable only. The charge of Junex is so affordable. Yeah. The outlet is only, can I divulge? Okay lang?
Ma'am?
Can I divulge the price, the service?
Okay, mga gina siya kasigiran gid ma'am.
So we repaired the outlet that was on fire. That was 350, and he charged me again the repair of the heater to 250.
Yes ma'am.
And plus my balance to use 30 pesos.
Yes, 30 pesos.
Pakisolve, no? How much will be my payment to you?
630.
630, right? Okay, so this is it. A day in the life of the vlogger. Just would like to have it safety in our house. Don't forget, 5 years you need to repair. Yeah, you need to repair your outlet, your main outlet, your
check the
main and the outlets, no, like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Because it will, what is the term? The short circuit will happen. So thank you, Sir Junex, for the time now that you have spent to me. So what are you waiting for? If you like to have repair your all appliances, TV, ref, aircon, and washing machine,
yes.
piano,
Yes.
all appliances. That is any electric fan, heater, as long as there is involvement of electricity. So thank you for viewing. I'm your Kamabuan of Wires, the guitar teacher Erlinda Bean Basilio Rindon. Don't forget to like, comment, share my mobile channel, and of course my Facebook account, Erlinda Bean Hernandez Basilio Rindon, and my reels and my page. So God is good all the time, and if what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. If there's no picture or video, you have done nothing. And the last, there's no stress word. Delete stress because it's your feedback, how you react to a situation. 10% only the situation, the event that happened negative, but there 90% how you react, how you face the situation. You can either ignore, walk away, and never mind that one. I'm your teacher vlogger, Teacher Bing, retired teacher, Rina Bing Basiridon. Thank you ka, mabuhay, mabuhayers. Mabuhay until my next vlog. The word,
Mabuhay.
mabuhay. Okay. That's the next.